Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to Programming lesson. In last lesson, we learned about algorithm concepts and 3 types of algorithm with examples. In this lesson, we will start to explore what is programming. Talking about programming, what is your first impression about it? A list of nonsense formulas? I believe after this lesson, you will understand those nonsense formulas. The purpose of this lesson are to introduce what is programming, describe fundamental parts of programming, demonstrate how to write code, and briefly introduce 5 most popular programming languages. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what is programming by using a proper example. List and describe 6 fundamental parts of programming, and design a program based on users' requirements. Okay, let's begin. What is programming? It is the process that creates sets of instructions to tell computers how to perform tasks. Many people may think it is equal to math, but actually it is about logical thinking. We can explain programming by using its analogy example, fridge. In real life, fridge works like this. When it is working, system checks its temperature. If temperature is too high, then cold engine starts. If temperature is too low, then cold engine stops. The system will wait 5 minutes to repeat the above steps to maintain fridge work correctly. So, how to write in a way that computer can understand? At first, we need to design a pseudocode. It is a solution written in plain English, but cannot compiled. The pseudocode for fridge has exactly same logic steps with real-life fridge's workflow. Next, we will start to learn 6 fundamental parts of programming. They are constants, variable, operator, data type, flow control, and scope. Constant is a stuff that cannot be changed. For example, gender. Variable is stuff that will be changed. For example, age. Operator is doing procedure with constant and variable. For example, add, plus, or times. Data type, flow control, and scope will be introduced in following slides. Data type is type of data in programming language. There are 2 main types, which are number type and number and letter type. In number type, there are 3 subtypes. Integer is a number ranged from 0 to 65,535. Float point is a float point integer. For example, 3.5 or 4.72. Double is a float point number that are large. In number and letter type, there are 2 subtypes, which are char and string. Char is a single character, such as A, C, K, 1, 5, 7. It should be noticed that the char 1 is not equal to the integer 1. String is a collection of char, such as name and age. Next type is flow control, which is a critical part in programming. It has 2 subtypes, which are condition and loop. Condition controls the workflow of code, which are if condition, if-else condition, and switch condition. Loop controls repeat times of procedure, which are for loop, while loop, and do-while loop. Please finish flow control lesson, and we will meet in next couple of minutes. Welcome back. Next, we will learn what is scope. It is a region that defined variable can be accessed. There are two types of variables, which are global variable and local variable. Global variable is defined outside of function, usually on the top of program, whereas local variable is defined inside of function. The example is like this. Int global equals 0. These steps initialize global variable. This is the main function. Int local equals 3. This step initialize local variable. And printf, value of local. This step print out the local variable, which is 3. And return 0, return, and this is the end of the function. Now it is quiz time. What is the output of this program? Int global equals 0, int main function, int local equals 3, global equals 5, printf, value of global, and the end of this function. Now, I will demonstrate how to write code. First, open a text editor. I open the gedit. You can open whichever you like. Next, I will start to write a Java-style code. Public class hello world. Now save this file, save as this file in dpath as hello world.java. Click save. Should be notice that hello world, the class name must same with the file name. Public static void main string args. This is the main function. Every program should have a main function. Out.println hello world. Close the main function and then close the public class and then click the save file. Next step is to open CMD and type D:, because we need to access to dpath, which is the location I store my file, and then type javac hello world.java. This procedure is to try to check if there is any error in this code, and the system shows there is no error and can be compiled. Then we compile this file, Java hello world. C, the system output hello world, which is our target. At last, I will introduce 5 popular programming languages in 2017. The first one is Python. The reason of it is because it is easy to learn, and in Mac system, CMD has default Python editor, which means programmer does not need to install other compilers. Second one is C language. It is one of the most widely used language. Many languages are based on C. The third one is Java. It is because this language is object-oriented, which means you can create modular and reusable code. The fourth one is C++. It is a higher version of C. The last one is C#. It is a variation version of C. In summary, we learned what is programming, 6 fundamental parts of programming, how to write code, and 5 types of popular programming language. In next class, we will learn how computer science makes contribution to our life and our future. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.